Welcome to Enchanted Fibers. Today we'd like to give you an overview of creating an asymmetrical tunic. We'll start our tunic with our ice-dyed silk. It's a process we use across all of our Nuno felted projects. Then we'll apply some black alpaca to give us a foundational palette to work with. We find this gives us a great way of looking at the colors that we're going to add. Today the colors we're going to add, we're going to use mohair, we're going to use some yarns, we have some commercial fabrics that we're going to add in here, and that will give us a foundation then to begin applying our viscose. As we apply the viscose, we want to lay it out in a cloud format. We're just going to pull individual fibers in small clumps, and we're going to place it on top of the alpaca fiber and give us a color foundation. We'll actually go through this process with, here you can see a bluish color, and then we're going to use a darker blue color as well to finish this up as we move forward. Once we've applied the viscose in the different colors we're going to wet it down with hot soapy water, and we're going to prepare to provide agitation to support the felting process. We'll cover the project up with the mosquito netting, and we're going to use our hand sanders here to rub against the fibers so that they begin to open up and intertwine with themselves and with the viscose and the yarn and mohair that we've applied. During the process, we will pull back the mosquito netting and we'll check the process that we're making just to make sure that things are working well. We can straighten out edges if we need to. And then we'll apply the mosquito netting back, and we'll continue our sanding process and the agitations. And we'll do this on both sides of the project as we're moving through in the creation of the asymmetrical tunic. When we've completed the agitation process, we'll take the project and we'll roll it across the pool noodle and into the bubble wrap that we're using, and we're going to wrap it into a towel, create a package that we're going to roll with. Using our forearms, we're going to roll this back and forth a few hundred times, and then we'll unroll it and we'll roll it up in the reverse direction, and we'll roll it a few hundred times as well. During the whole process, we will probably roll this about 1,000 times just to finish the felting process and to full the project, getting all the fibers to interlock with each other and create a new wearable cloth. When our project's finished, we'll rinse it, get all the soap out of it. We'll give it a final rinse with some vinegar, just remove the soap for sure, and then we'll lay it out to dry. Here you can see it hanging, you can see the viscose, you can see the extra silk that we added just to give it a little flair, the commercial fabric, the mohair, the yarns. So you can see, and then we can turn around. There is no front side. We have one arm. It's an asymmetrical, and then it's open on the other side. And again, you can see the yarns, the mohair, the commercial fabric, the nice neckline. Get the colors from the viscose. You get some shine from the viscose and the commercial fabric, and again a little bit of flair with the added silk to the project.